Hi everybody, I am Mrs. Chitra Gopinath. Welcome to the Grammar Post channel. In this channel, we'll be covering up all the grammar aspects that are required for English language. Initially, the topics that we are going to discuss will benefit the students from Form 1, which means Standard 6. Later on, the upcoming topics will help the higher grade students. Today, let's start with the first topic, parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech as follows: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. The noun is very important as there are no sentences without a noun. Definition: noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. For example, Ram, Delhi, tiger, computer, and so on. And these nouns are classified into the following types: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, and compound noun. What is a common noun? It's a general name of a person, place, profession, or object. Example: school, pen, father, doctor, teacher, engineer, and so on. Putting them in the sentence form: my father is a doctor. I bought a new car. Here, father, doctor, and car are all common nouns. They may take the subject or the object name. What is a proper noun? It is a particular name used to specify a person, place, or thing. For example, Sarah, India, English book, and so on. In the sentence form: Sarah is my best friend. I live in Bangalore. It is my friend's English book. So a specification is given to all these nouns. Next, going into the collective noun. It refers to a group of people or animals or objects. For example, crowd, cattle, furniture, and so on. Sentence form: there was a big crowd in the supermarket. The cattle are grazing. Next, what is an abstract noun? It is used to describe a quality which can only be felt but cannot be seen. For example, beauty, happiness, sorrow, and so on. In the sentence form: nature's beauty is God's gift. Here, beauty is an abstract noun. Happiness is within everyone. Happiness is a noun occupying the subject place. Next, what is a material noun? It refers to a material or substance with which a thing is made. For example, gold, cloth, silver, platinum, and so on. Sentence form: jewels are made out of gold. Mercury is used in thermometers. Next, what is a countable noun? It can be counted using numbers, and they may be in the singular or plural form. Singular indicates only one person or thing, and the singular nouns are denoted by a, an, or the. For example, an apple, a dog, the child, etc. And in the sentence form: an apple a day keeps the doctor away. A dog guards our house. Next, plural form denotes more than one person or thing. For example, men, trees, chairs, tables, and so on. In the sentence: cutting trees will lead to natural disasters. There are 12 benches in our class. Men are more powerful than women. In the third sentence, both men and women are the plural forms. Then, these plural nouns, they can be formed from the singular nouns in many ways. Let's see what are those steps. First step is by adding s to the singular noun. For example, bed, beds, flower, flowers. Next step is by adding es to the singular noun, we can make it plural. Bush, bushes, watch, watches. And the third step is by adding ies. This is done by removing the y in the singular form and substituting it as ies. For example, baby, babies, story, stories. Next, by adding es to singular nouns ending with o. For example, potato, potatoes, hero, heroes, and so on. In this rule, there is an exception where instead of adding es to the singular noun, s is directly added to some words ending with o. Piano, pianos, photo, photos. And the next step, by changing f or fe in the singular noun to ves in the plural noun. Life, lives, knife, knives, wife, wives, and so on. And an exception to this rule is adding s directly to some words ending in f. For example, roof, roofs, proof, proofs. Next step is by changing the spelling. Man is changed to men, where a is substituted by e. Mouse changes to mice, by changing double o to double e in some words. Foot, feet, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, and so on. Next is, some plurals are irregular in form totally. Singular is ox, plural is oxen. Child is singular and plural is children instead of children's. Next is, singular and plural are alike in some cases. For example, sheep remains the same in singular and plural form. Deer is same as singular and plural form. Next, some nouns are used only in the plural form. For example, scissors, spectacles, and so on. Usage in sentence for these words are, I have a pair of scissors. This is a correct form of using, instead of I have scissors, which is wrong. Next, some plural nouns are commonly used as singular, though they have s at the end. For example, physics, news, and so on. Let them be used in sentences. Physics is an interesting subject. The news channel is informative. Next, what is an uncountable noun? It cannot be counted using numbers. These are denoted by some or any. For example, tea, sugar, water, etc. Putting them in sentences, I need some tea to get rid of my headache. Add some sugar to the coffee. Next, we shall go to the compound noun. From the word compound, we understand it is a combination of two words. For example, it can be noun plus noun or verb plus noun, adjective plus noun, or noun plus adjective, and so on. Let's see some examples in each. Noun plus noun. Here, bedroom, windscreen. Here, bed and room both are nouns. Wind and screen both are nouns, but they form a single word. Verb plus noun. Swimming pool, dining hall. So swimming is a verb and pool is a noun. So it is verb plus noun. Next, noun plus verb. Haircut, heartbeat, etc. Hair is a noun and cut is a verb, but they form a compound word, joining together. Noun plus adjective. Noun, blood, red. So noun here is blood and adjective is red. Next, adjective plus noun. Software. Soft is a describing word. Where is a noun. So they join together to form a compound noun. Next, preposition plus noun. Underground, understand, and so on. Under is a preposition. Ground is noun. So they form a compound word. Next, there are three forms of this noun. That is how the words are being arranged. One is words with a space in between. And second one, words with a hyphen in between. And third, words without a hyphen in between. Let's see some words with a space in between. Post office, Prime Minister, ice cream. Words with a hyphen in between. Mothers-in-law, check-in, self-esteem. Words without a hyphen in between are football, bathroom, and toothpaste. Hope today's session was informative and interesting. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe this channel. Post your doubts regarding the topics in the comment section. Press the bell icon to get notified with the latest videos.